Hey everybody, this is a quick video to show you how to do a hard reset on your Sony wireless noise canceling headphones. If you're having like connection issues, Bluetooth issues, sound issues and stuff like that, a lot of times a hard reset will just get everything fixed. And it's really easy to do. First thing we need to do is we just need to make sure that our headphones are plugged in via the USB cable. And when you see that, you'll see there's a little red light that turns on next to the cable. From there, you're going to come over here and we're going to press and hold the custom button and the power button. And we're just going to hold that for several seconds, and you'll see that on the bottom where the USB is plugged in, that red light next to the USB plug, it will turn off and then it will turn back on. And so once it turns off and turns back on, then we can release the power and the custom button, and our headphones will have been reset. Just keeping in mind, since they're reset, you're going to have to repair them with whatever devices they had been previously paired with. That's all there is to it. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.